Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share. Dear students, let us start activity 1, algebraic identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Objective of this activity is to verify the algebraic identity of a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square geometrically. Then materials required: drawing sheet, pencil, sellotape, color papers, cutter, ruler. Then prerequisite knowledge for this activity, that is square and its area, rectangle and its area. Square. A square is a quadrilateral whose all sides are equal and all the angles are 90 degrees. And its area is the product of the lengths of two sides, that is A into A. Here, this is ABCD is a square having side A unit. So its area is A into A, that is A square, square unit. Rectangle, it is a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are equal and all the angles are 90 degrees. And its area is product of the length and breadth. So here ABCD is a rectangle having length A unit and breadth B unit. So the area of this rectangle is AB square unit. Then procedure. Step 1. From a color paper, cut out a square whose length of each side is A unit and name it a square PQRS. So this square has area A square. Then step 2, from red color paper, as in step first, cut out another square whose length of each side is B units, where A is greater than B, and name it a square RFGH. As shown in figure, so this is a square RFGH and its area is B square. Next step, From green color paper, cut out a rectangle of length A unit and breadth B unit and name it as rectangle SRHE. So here is the SRHE rectangle having length A unit and breadth B unit. Step 4. From brown color paper, as in the step 3rd, cut out a rectangle of length B units and breadth A units and name it as rectangle QIFR. So this is a rectangle QIFR having area BA unit square. Next step, step 5, arrange the above chord figures, squares and rectangles as shown in figure and paste it on drawing sheet using cello tape. So from the above figure, it is clear that we have obtained a square PIGE of side A plus B. So look at the figure. The figure is a square having side A plus B. So demonstration, what you observe from this figure? From the figure, area of the square PIGE having side A plus B is equal to area of square PQRS plus area of square RFGH plus area of rectangle SRHE plus area of rectangle QIFR. That is equal to A square plus B square plus AB plus BA, or that is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. So PI is a square of side A plus B. So area of square PIGE is equal to A plus B whole square. So hence from equation 1 and 2, that is A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. So what result we got from this activity? That the identity A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. So this has been verified geometrically. Thank you.